Hey, it's Leslie. I know how Wi-Fi connectivity can be a major issue in homes and businesses. Now more than ever, people need a consistent, high-quality connection with no dead zones wherever you are. That's why our team at LV Geeks is here to assist you with any of your connectivity needs. It's simple. After your provider has installed the modem, it produces a signal with a limited reach. This produces many dead zones throughout the home. Imagine having a high-power space heater to heat the entirety of your home. Whew, pretty cold, isn't it? There are many signal boosters available in stores, but their range is extremely limited. With our NoDeadZoneWi-Fi service, we offer extended coverage leading to higher Wi-Fi speeds. We take all the stress out of fighting for that extra bit of Wi-Fi signal you require. Our process is simple. We send in a technician to analyze your home and find the optimal placement for generating Wi-Fi signals. Our installation includes wiring your home and inserting access points using only enterprise-grade quality material. Why spend all that money on a service provider when most of your house isn't even covered? The power of a well-connected home is at your fingertips with LV Geeks.